To test whether your door is kick-in-proof, perform targeted, measurable checks that reveal any remaining vulnerabilities. Start by assessing the door itself and its frame with simple tools. First, inspect the strike plate area for elongated screw holes and replace short screws with 3-inch wood screws that reach the stud. This transfers force into the framing rather than the jamb. Second, check the door material and core. Solid wood or metal-clad doors resist bending better than hollow cores, and if you have a reinforced steel plate or security wrap, make sure it is flush and secured with long fasteners. Third, evaluate the hinge side by removing the hinge pins to see if the hinge mortises are tight and filled. Use additional long screws in the hinge leaves where possible and consider security hinges with non-removable pins for outward swinging doors. Fourth, simulate force in a controlled way by applying steady pressure with your shoulder or a heavy object held at waist height for several seconds to watch for movement where the latch meets the strike. Fifth, test the deadbolt separately by pulling on the knob and pushing on the door to see if the bolt stays fully engaged and if the strike continues to resist shifting. Finally, document any deflection you observe in millimeters or inches and repeat tests after each retrofit until movement is negligible and the door feels rigid under sustained force. Common mistakes include relying solely on a single long screw in the strike plate since the jamb material can still split, so add multiple long screws evenly spaced to share load. Another issue is assuming a solid-looking door is strong when the core is hollow or thin. Remove the trim or check edge thickness and upgrade to a solid core or metal door if needed. A third concern is neglecting the hinge side where attackers often apply lateral force. Reinforce hinges with long screws and consider a hinge side armor plate or an auxiliary bolt to eliminate that weakness. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to give contractors a place to connect with potential clients. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors can share real-world testing experiences and practical upgrade tips.